How to change MacBook password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the System Settings option from the menu. Now scroll down on the menu bar and then tap on the Users and Groups option. You will then see all the users of your MacBook. Select the username you want to change the password to and then tap on the eye icon or the info icon beside the username. You will then see the change option beside the password tab. Tap on the change button and then enter your current password and then enter your new password. You will need to enter your new password twice for verification. Optionally, you can also add a hint if needed, and finally tap on the change password option, and with this your password will be changed. This method also updates your login keychain automatically. So this is how you can change MacBook password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.